The program is sort of an implementation of what they call a reverse classroom, where you learn the material on your own and then you're hashing it out in a group. Over the years, it's become clear that more and more analytics are becoming a part of the patent space. And I had a colleague who had also worked at GE, so I contacted him, and he was able to give this really glowing recommendation. And that was actually the key factor for me to sign on with the class. There's a really good mix of explaining the conceptual underpinnings of the techniques within the practicalities of carrying out the techniques. But speaking to the support option, the support really is there and you really can ask for help. I guess the part that I appreciated the most was that our mentor adapted. As the time went on, he adapted to what the group needed. And so when people were wanting more review of concepts, he spent more time on that. And when people were wanting more, let's just go over the case study in detail, he spent more time on that. And the advantage of learning it on your own is you can start and stop. I like that aspect of it, that I could control how I digested the lectures, and I could control when I listened to the lectures. They're the main point of contact, and they're the person to contact if there's an issue, if something comes up. And mine was very helpful and there's a flexibility. I found that the program is not as rigid as a school is.